Parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech. Each part of speech describes the role a word plays in a sentence. The different parts of speech are noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, interjection. In this video, we will learn about pronouns. A pronoun is a word used instead of a noun or a noun phrase. Remember, nouns are words that are used to name people, places, animals, things, and ideas. You can think of nouns as naming words. The pronoun used in a sentence refers to either a noun that has already been mentioned or to a noun that doesn't need to be named specifically. For example, I like Tom because he is funny. The word he is a pronoun because it's used to replace the noun Tom. We could also write this sentence as, I like Tom because Tom is funny. However, we don't want the sentence to be repetitive. The sentence already mentions Tom, therefore, we can use a pronoun as we already know who the sentence is referring to. Another example is, this is my new pet dog. My dog likes to go on long walks. My dog doesn't like birds. This example is quite long and repetitive. Instead of repeating the noun multiple times, we can replace it with the pronoun she. This is my new pet dog. She likes to go on long walks. She doesn't like birds. So pronouns can allow us to shorten our sentences and to make them sound less repetitive. This is useful in both writing and speaking. It's important to note that grammatically, pronouns function a lot like nouns. They can be used both as subjects and objects. So, they refer to people, places, animals, things, and ideas. They can be singular or plural. And they can be modified by adjectives. An easy way to remember this is by remembering that the word pronoun has the word noun. Some examples of pronouns are I, he, she, it, you, we, they, them, this, that, and many more. Now let's look at examples of pronouns in sentences. They are eating lunch. The pronoun in this sentence is they. He threw the ball. The pronoun in this sentence is he. Yesterday we went to the park. The pronoun in this sentence is we. Everyone is excited about the party. The pronoun in this sentence is everyone. The letter was sent to him. The pronoun in this sentence is him. Now you try. Read each sentence and identify the pronoun. Sam made himself a sandwich. The pronoun in this sentence is himself. The bag is hers. The pronoun in this sentence is hers. He drove slowly, so they were late to the party. The pronouns in this sentence are he and they. Take care of yourself. The pronoun in this sentence is yourself. Our house is big. The pronoun in this sentence is our. I am afraid of spiders. The pronoun in this sentence is I. We need to finish the project. The pronoun in this sentence is we.